All right, so I figured out why the check engine light kept flashing and coming on. It's because the TPMS, which is the tire pressure monitoring system, the sensors are not completely fully installed properly when they put my new tires on. This happens at Discount Tire. Either they don't calibrate when I put the back tires on the front tires on the van, because the pressure is 80 in the back and 50 in the front. So sometimes it'll think the back tires are now the front tire, like the front tires are now the back tires, and it's the other way around. For this one, oh, sorry, I've been driving all day, 13 hours of driving. But this one, it's because the tire pressures, it's bothering me. It says tire pressures. It should just say tire pressure. But the tire pressure, the sensor just keeps deactivating, so one of the tires will just have no number, and then that's when the check engine light comes on. So I was monitoring it while I was driving. I was like, okay, going through each of the different you can go through here and change it here. Oh, sorry, my food's here, hang on. Sorry, I'm at Sonic right now. I just got a hot fudge sundae at 10 p.m. and 2 pretzels with nothing on it. Anyway, but yeah, so that's what it is, the TPMS. So that's my sensors, my collision sensors. So when I'm driving in traffic, they just start flashing like a strobe light. And then I have the drive computer, which I think is what I need to have them reset, like the TPMS and stuff. Anyway, I don't know what this stuff is. It's not completely accurate. I was listening to that. Yeah, so you see here, so right now it's a little bit higher pressure because I came from 6,000 feet down to 150 feet in elevation. So it'll go back down tomorrow. Plus it's cold and all this other, factors and stuff. But then you can see that, yeah, it says 33, but one of these will disappear, and that's when the check engine light comes on. Anyway, I have an ice cream. So let me go eat my ice cream, and then that's it. I'm going to keep driving another, I've got 57 minutes. So I'll be home by 11, which is 10 p.m. in New Mexico time. So I lose an hour in Texas. Anyway, it's been a long day. Be happy to go to bed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, I was getting a check engine light. My coolant is low, so I need to get coolant. So let me go make sure I get the right one. I don't even know what the other fluid's. Wiper fluid, I think that's fine. It's such a little bitty engine. The coolant for the Nissan's right here, the van, and it's some gigantic. But that one, yeah, definitely needs some coolant. I don't know if I can take the cap off. Let me go talk to somebody. It is actually quicker to drive an hour to Albuquerque and get everything done than trying to get it done in Santa Fe. Just because you only have one of each thing here, and then you have 12 of everything in Albuquerque. So yeah, so I'm gonna go down to Discount Tire first. I need them to replace the sensors. My tire sensors are not reading. Either they're duds, or they've conked out, or they didn't put them in right when I had the new tires put on in January, but they're not really reading. They're kind of it doesn't say I have low pressure, but it does say I have 26 PSI, which is, it should be 32, but when I went to Discount Tire the other day, they were at 34, and I had them put them down to 32. Plus I'm going down about 1,100 feet in elevation. Anyway, and after that I need to go to Take 5 and have them top up my oil since I'm driving home on Friday. And then I need to go to the VA and pick up some paperwork. Yeah, it only just happened when I had the 4 tires replaced. All right, goodbye car. I'm getting new sensors. Figured I should just switch them out. I'm gonna go over to Jason's Deli and go buy something. I'm not really that hungry, but go over there and then, yeah, just kind of wait for about an hour. I've got my computer, kind of work on some stuff, and then head on to the next place, which is Take 5 for an oil top up, and then the VA, and then the skate shop. So this will be done at 11. So I got plenty of time. Skate shop doesn't open till noon anyway, so I'm kind of just basing my day around that. So yeah, Jason's Deli is good. Let me get some ice cream. I'm still driving back to Discount Tire, a very long way. The good thing is the TPMS sensors, the tire pressure sensors are working, which is great. So I just keep an eye on it because I'm going down from 6,000 feet, 6,500 feet to 50 feet. So okay, so I'll go this way. This is a cute little neighborhood. All right, let me get back to it in a minute.